Imagine a small town surrounded by cassava fields, where every harvest seems to repeat itself year after year in the same way. Fresh roots sold at low prices, disappearing into the market without leaving much profit. In the midst of that routine, someone started asking a different question. What if cassava wasn't just a food, but the foundation of a larger business? That someone was a young entrepreneur named Edward. With limited resources but a different perspective, he began to discover that there were machines capable of transforming the root into higher-value products. Flour, starch, snacks, or even ingredients ready for export. What once seemed like just a basic crop began to look like a chain of opportunities. Edward's story is the story of anyone who decides to change their way of thinking. Because it's not just about having the land or the harvest, but about daring to take a step further, to see in cassava a path to grow and compete in markets where quality and innovation make the difference. Welcome to Imported Machines, the channel where you'll discover machines that can become your next business opportunity. In this video, we will show you equipment for processing cassava, from peeling to packaging and frying. A complete chain that can open the doors to a profitable venture. Let's get started. Number 1. Cotton Pad Making Machine. In the personal care sector, cotton pads have become a constant consumption product. They are used in cosmetics, facial cleansing, and beauty treatments, so demand remains stable throughout the year. Starting a business in this production line allows you to serve both small brands and local distributors, without requiring large facilities or complex processes. This equipment transforms rolls of cotton or non-woven material into pads ready for packaging. Its programmable control system regulates cutting, pressing, and decorative embossing, guaranteeing a uniform texture and good quality. It can produce between 300 and 900 units per minute, depending on the model, and its power consumption remains between 2 and 5 kilowatts. Thanks to its compact design, it adapts well to small spaces and medium-scale production. Manufacturers like American Plant and Equipment, based in the United States, and VMI Group, from the Netherlands with representation in the same country, offer semi-automatic models with technical support and basic assistance. The price depends on the level of automation and packaging options, but the simplest versions can be found for around $5,000. It is an interesting alternative for those who want to start a business in the personal care field with a controlled investment and a high turnover product. Number 2. Paper Straw Making Machine. The substitution of plastic with biodegradable materials has driven a new generation of eco-friendly products, including paper straws. More and more coffee shops, restaurants, and beverage brands are seeking sustainable alternatives to comply with environmental regulations and attract a more conscious public. This has opened space for small production plants that can meet local demand without competing with large factories. The paper straw making machine takes rolls of coated paper and precisely rolls them to form tubes resistant to liquid contact. It uses a servomotor cutting system that guarantees uniformity in each piece and can achieve a production of between 12,000 and 40,000 units per hour. It requires a power supply of 220 or 380 volts, with a consumption of 3 to 5 kilowatts, and is controlled by a programmable system that coordinates gluing, drying, and final cutting. This type of equipment can be found on platforms like eBay in the United States, both new and used, with prices ranging between $40,000 and $55,000, depending on the condition and additional features. There are also similar options on import sites like Alibaba, where several manufacturers offer models with basic technical support. Although the initial investment is higher than in other small-scale projects, the growing demand for sustainable products makes it an attractive option for those looking to combine profitability with positive environmental impact. Number 3. Cup or Mug Printing Machine. Product personalization has become a profitable trend within the gifts, promotions, and corporate items sector. Mugs with logos, phrases, or exclusive designs are sold in physical and online stores with a considerable margin. This has made heat transfer printing machines one of the simplest and most accessible ways to start a business from home or expand an existing sublimation workshop. This machine uses the principle of thermal transfer to adhere special ink to coated surfaces, such as ceramic mugs or cups. Through controlled heat and pressure, the design printed on paper is transferred to the object, achieving sharp colors resistant to washing. Semi-automatic models allow working with one or several colors and adjusting temperature and time according to the material. Its power consumption is low, requires a connection of 110 or 220 volts, and takes up very little space, making it ideal for a home-based venture. This equipment is easily found on platforms like eBay or Walmart in the United States, with prices ranging from $80 to $250 depending on the level of automation and the number of mugs it can process simultaneously. There are cheaper manual versions and semi-automatic models that offer greater precision and control. Due to its low cost and fast return, this machine represents an excellent option for those looking to start a personalization business without needing a large initial investment. Number 4. Tea Bag Packing Machine. Tea consumption has grown steadily in recent years, driven by the trend towards natural and healthy products. Small artisanal brands and specialized shops seek to differentiate themselves with unique blends, but manual packaging is often slow and unprofitable. Hence the appeal of automatic tea bag machines, which allow for professional product presentation and increased production capacity without requiring large facilities. This equipment automates the process of filling, sealing, and cutting the bags, maintaining precision in weight and uniformity in packaging. Depending on the model, it can work between 30 and 70 units per minute and features adjustable temperature control for different types of filter paper or biodegradable material. Some small models also allow for manual operation, which is useful for artisanal production or testing new blends. Its power supply can be adapted to 110 or 220 volts, with reduced consumption and a compact structure. These machines can be found in online stores like eBay or Walmart in the United States, with a wide variety of prices. The simplest manual models can be found from about $70, while the automatic ones, with higher speed and precision, can reach close to $5,900. Its ease of use, combined with the growth of the natural infusions market, makes it an excellent option for entrepreneurs looking to start a gourmet or eco-friendly product line with a professional presentation. Number 5. Snap Button Attaching Machine. In the textile and garment industry, snap buttons are a small but essential detail on clothing, bags, and leather goods. The demand for equipment that speeds up this process has grown among clothing workshops, uniform factories, and textile customization businesses. This type of machine maintains precision and speed in placement, guaranteeing consistent finishes and reducing manual effort, which translates into cleaner and more profitable production. The electric snap button attaching machine uses a servo motor that applies the exact force to insert the snap without damaging the material. It operates on a 110 or 220 volt connection with a consumption of 550 watts, making it energy efficient and safe to use. It can place between 30 and 40 buttons per minute and incorporates protection systems that prevent accidents during pressing. Its compact size allows for easy installation in a garment workshop or a small customization business. It can be purchased on platforms like eBay or Walmart in the United States, with prices ranging between $280 and $640 depending on the model and additional functions. Some equipment includes accessories for different types of snaps or size adapters, increasing its versatility. It is an accessible and practical machine for those looking to improve productivity in garment making without making a high investment. Number 6. Cotton or Pillow Filling Machine. The process of filling cushions, stuffed toys, or pillows requires a machine that guarantees uniform distribution of the material without relying on manual labor. Cotton filling machines were designed precisely for that, allowing the automation of a process that would otherwise be slow and imprecise. They are an excellent option for small textile workshops or ventures that manufacture quilted or decorative products. The small cotton filling machine uses a blowing system driven by a motor between 1.2 and 1.5 kilowatts. Its work capacity varies between 280 and 500 kilograms per hour, making it suitable for manufacturing toys, pillows, or cushions in series. Its compact design allows for easy operation in small spaces, ideal for small productions requiring efficiency without major industrial infrastructure. It can be obtained on platforms like eBay, with prices ranging between $140 and $190 depending on the model and capacity. Most of this equipment is manufactured in China and imported directly to the United States, although they can also be found in stores specializing in textile machinery. It is an accessible alternative for entrepreneurs looking to start a line of quilted products without large investments. Number 7. Battery testing and sorting machine. In automotive workshops and electrical maintenance centers, checking the condition of batteries is an essential task. Compact battery testing and sorting machines allow for quick evaluation of their performance and charging capacity, helping to identify if a battery can remain in use or requires replacement. Their small size makes them practical for both professional and domestic use. This equipment is designed to measure parameters such as voltage, internal resistance, and cold cranking amps, covering 12 and 24-volt batteries. Thanks to their automated electronic system, they can classify batteries according to their efficiency level with a high margin of accuracy. They are indispensable tools for those working with energy systems or in the repair of electric and combustion vehicles. They can be easily purchased on platforms like eBay or Walmart in the United States, with prices ranging from $16 to $100 depending on the functionality and model. The most basic devices offer instant readings, while the more advanced ones include digital screens and detailed diagnostic functions. Their low cost and versatility make them an excellent investment for workshops or technicians who need to evaluate batteries quickly and reliably. Number 8. Barbed wire making machine. Barbed wire is one of the most used elements in perimeter security, livestock farming, and the protection of agricultural land. The semi-automatic barbed wire making machine transforms rolls of galvanized wire into finished fences, ensuring uniform braiding and a constant distance between the barbs. It is a key tool for small metallurgical workshops or producers who want to manufacture their own material without depending on third parties. This equipment works with motors between 3 and 5 horsepower and achieves an approximate production of 500 to 1,200 kilograms per shift. It maintains a working speed of 140 to 160 barbs per minute, with the traditional Iowa-type design. Its metal structure is solid, and the semi-automatic system provides precision in braiding and safe handling for the operator. It can be purchased directly through Burgundy Machinery, a company based in California specializing in fencing and wire drawing equipment, or through suppliers on Alibaba, where similar models can be found from about $3,000. This machine is ideal for those looking to start or expand a fence production business with an intermediate investment and consistent performance. Number 9. Wire forming or bending machine. In the field of light metalworking, computer numerical control, CNC, wire forming machines represent a versatile tool for creating curved pieces, springs, decorative metal structures, and industrial components. Their precision allows shaping rods and wires of different diameters with an accuracy impossible to achieve manually, opening opportunities in both design and custom production. This compact version works with motors between 1 and 3 kilowatts and can handle wires from 2 to 8 millimeters in two-dimensional or three-dimensional configurations. Some models offer partial or semi-automatic CNC control, ideal for small productions or workshops looking to automate part of the process without making a high investment. Its reduced size and basic interface make it manageable even in limited spaces. It can be found on platforms like eBay USA, where prices vary between $136 and $5,999 depending on the condition of the equipment, and on Alibaba, where similar models exist at competitive prices. It is an interesting alternative for those who want to start in the manufacturing of metal structures or wire pieces with programmable precision. Number 10. Wire fence or chain link making machine. Braided wire fences, also known as chain link or cyclone mesh, are one of the most used solutions for protecting land, construction sites, and residential areas. The semi-automatic machine for manufacturing this type of mesh allows transforming galvanized wire into rolls of different heights and densities, maintaining a uniform and resistant pattern. It is a key tool for metallurgical workshops or entrepreneurs looking to produce fences to order or for their own use. This equipment works with motors between 2 and 5 horsepower and can achieve a production of 80 to 200 kilograms per hour. It integrates PLC control and servo motors to ensure precise weaving and constant tension. Its robust structure and automatic cutting system guarantee continuous operation with low maintenance, making it an efficient option for medium-scale work. It can be easily purchased through Alibaba, with prices ranging between $2,000 and $5,000 depending on the capacity and degree of automation. There are also specialized suppliers that offer similar models with limited technical support and training. It is an ideal investment for those wishing to enter the fence manufacturing sector without requiring a complete industrial plant. Number 11. Cooper wire or braid crimping tool. In electrical work and industrial wiring, the hydraulic crimper for copper braids is an essential tool. It allows fixing terminals or connectors on cables of different gauges, guaranteeing a firm and secure contact. Its use is common in electrical workshops, photovoltaic installations, and industrial maintenance, where precision in connections is vital to avoid energy loss or system failures. These crimpers function through hydraulic pressure, offering a force between 8 and 16 tons. They are compatible with cable gauges from 12 to 4/0 and can be found in manual or rechargeable battery versions. Some models incorporate interchangeable heads and quick-release systems to speed up work, combining power, portability, and ease of use. They can be purchased in stores like Walmart USA, eBay USA, or Amazon, with prices ranging from $27 to $440 depending on the type of mechanism and pressure capacity. They are an economical and durable option for professionals or small electrical workshops that need to make reliable connections without depending on expensive industrial equipment. Number 12. Pneumatic or electric thread rolling attachment. The thread roller is an indispensable accessory in metalworking, especially in the manufacturing of screws, bolts, and pieces with external threads. This type of tool forms threads by cold deformation, which improves the mechanical resistance of the material against wear and traction. Its use is common in machining workshops, maintenance, and production of custom metal pieces. There are pneumatic and electric versions that operate with pressures between 80 and 120 pounds per square inch or with a power supply of 110 volts. Their working range covers from small diameters up to approximately 3/4 of an inch, and they easily adapt to lathes, presses, or workbenches using universal couplings. Some models offer speed control and pressure adjustments for different types of metal. They can be found on platforms like eBay USA, mainly in used condition, with prices ranging from $279 to $1,069. There are also specialized manufacturers like Reed Machinery or Proferol Technologies that offer new industrial versions with technical support. This tool represents a practical alternative for those who want to manufacture or repair threaded pieces without investing in large-sized machinery. Number 13. Bolt or screw making machine. The manufacturing of screws and bolts is one of the foundations of the modern mechanical industry. The semi-automatic machine for producing small screws transforms metal rods into finished pieces through controlled cutting, forging, and threading processes. It is an essential tool for production workshops, maintenance, or small plants that want to manufacture their own fasteners at low cost and with good dimensional precision. These machines operate with a 3-phase power supply of 220 volts and use forging systems that reach between 10 and 40 tons of pressure, achieving a production of 20 to 60 pieces per minute. Their working range covers screws from size M3 to M8, and their semi-automatic design allows adjusting the speed and impact force according to the type of material used. Although it does not require large infrastructure, it does demand certain technical knowledge for its correct operation. It can be purchased on eBay USA, where used units are found between $3,200 to $5,250, or through Alibaba, which offers new automatic versions in similar price ranges. It is an attractive option for those looking to start in the production of custom screws or reinforce an assembly line without depending on external suppliers. Today we learned about 13 machines that demonstrate that starting a business doesn't always require a large investment. Equipment capable of transforming simple materials into products with value, from cotton and packaging machines to metallurgy tools and automation. Each one of them represents an open door for those who want to start producing, manufacturing, or innovating from a small workshop or even from home. Because behind every machine, there is an idea waiting to take shape, and the only thing missing is the decision to take the first step. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Tell us in the comments what type of machine you would like to have for your own business. We'll see you in the next episode of Imported Machinery. Until then, keep creating.